everybody, it's me, Patty B, and a lot has changed. I had a roommate move in and move out. It didn't work out. It's just, that's how it is. It's okay, we live and we move on. Anyways, I have this new song that I just finished today, and I want to share, and I figure why not just play the song acoustically and not try and do anything fancy, because when I do, I get lazy and go quantity, not quality, so I figured just do the song. This song is called Sound of Two.